Who's that? Is that your dinosaur? Oh, he loves you. And you love him. Hey? He's good. Yeah.
Incredibly moving. I think you could see that they were doing strength and being there together with all the grandchildren, especially the two young ones. I'm difficult to find the words really, but the strength that they show, the courage they show, and the tribute they paid to their grandmother, I think they will be very proud, and I think it's wonderful that we can get this permission to do this, the first time it's ever happened.
Because it was the grandchildren who wanted to do it, wasn't it?
Yes, and it shows you with the nation, but for them, she was a wonderful presence in their life. As we heard from the tribute tonight from Eugenie and Beatrice, of those memories of their time together with her, and I just think it's just so special.
You could see the strain showing for some, couldn't you? You could, even from
You walk the same, can't you? You're a clever boy. Yeah.
Particularly from, as you said, James back outside and so you can never be there.
What's he doing, Tiko? Yay! Is he getting a bit close to your bells, I think, isn't he? Hey?
Had her eyes closed, it seemed. It must have been extraordinary for them there, standing there so close to their grandmother's bottom, and yet goes back to the heart of the extraordinary role of being a member of the royal family and having so little division between the public and the private. We've heard so much about the private lives in the tributes we've heard, particularly from the Princess's tribute tonight, but then to see them standing there watching by probably many millions of people this evening was such an intimate personal moment.
Oh my God.
I can't even begin to fathom.
Yeah, I'll get him. Hey? Is that better? He's away from your bells now.
Probably their times in Scotland because that was when the family could just be the family, and we've all heard about.
You're clever. You're walking the same as him, are ya?
The barbecue, and the Queen have just been the grandmother of everyone. I can picture it, all the children running around, and just those. When you're always on scrutiny, when you're.
Well, he's going back to your bells again. Oh my God. What are we going to do with him? Huh? What are we going to do?
It was very powerful watching them all walk out together. How close are they as a group? Cousins?
Very close, and closer probably than typical cousins because of the fact that they are the nation's first family, as it were. I was particularly
Yay!
the senior of the grandchildren leading the way, and now that he's Prince of Wales, I think
What's he doing?
to overlook the fact that he's taken on this greater role, and I know his shoulders are strong enough to bear it. I found that very nice.
Clever.
Has watched the Queen and learned from the Queen in the role that will one day be hers.
Yes, and I think that's one of the great strengths of our system is that the generations learn from each other in the same way that the now King will have learned from his mother. Prince William studied for many years and was very close to his grandmother, and